Okay, good day everyone. So this is our projected annual gross sales for the regular items in dining. So for the previous template, we have only the projection per day, but now I think it's important that we will add the different meal periods of the day, so that we are able to know on what specific meal period sales will increase. So for example, we have three meal periods, which are the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And the number of seats or the total seating capacity of our establishment is 150. And let's say for an instance in breakfast, it is repeated once. No, so meaning the seats are being filled once. So the turnover rate is one. And then as we compute for the number of cover, it becomes 150 cover because it's the number of seats are being filled once. Okay. And then for example, for breakfast, we are going to estimate for 120 pesos average check. Average check means this is the capacity or the buying power or capacity of all the or of each of the total customers that are coming into your establishment. No, so for example, for breakfast is 120. So for the estimated daily gross sales for breakfast, we'll just multiply the number of cover to the average check. So we will get the estimated daily gross sales, which is 18,000 pesos. So for example, in a year, there are 49 days or 49 Mondays. No, so we will get the projected annual gross sales by multiplying the number of operating days to the estimated daily gross sales, which is in this case for breakfast is 18,000 pesos. So we will come up into 882,000 pesos for the projected annual gross sales for breakfast of all Mondays in a year. Okay, so the lunch and dinner has the same procedure, but as you can see here, the average check varies because, as I've said, no, there are different menu, no, for each meal period. So we need to be specific on the average check per meal period, so that you are able to know on what are the differences between the different meal periods in terms of the capacity of the customers to buy. So in this case, for lunch, it's 150. For dinner, it's 170. Okay, so after that, you get all the here. You simply add the turnover, the number of cover, and the estimated daily gross sales, as well as the projected annual gross sales. So this also is applicable for all the days in a week, so that you are able to have your correct projection for 1 year. And of course, for the holidays, you need just to specify all the meal periods of the day, so that to get the projected annual sales differently per meal period. Okay, so that's it for the projected annual gross sales. Thank you, guys.